Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and remove the SIM tray so you won't short anything. Next, heat the back glass to soften adhesive. Aim for around 100 degrees C and move heat continuously so you don't overcook components. Once warm, remove the 2 bottom pentalobe screws, attach a suction handle to the display edge, and lift gently to create a gap. Insert a pick and run it around the frame a little at a time so you don't crack internal parts. With the display propped open and secured, you must disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts. Remove the display and antenna connectors after that, using ESD-safe tools and a magnetic mat for screws. Then unscrew and lift the rear camera and wireless charging coil carefully because they sit under the glass. Once out, clean adhesive residue with isopropyl alcohol and a gentle pick. You want a flat, contamination-free surface, so the new back glass will place the pre-cut adhesive on the chassis and align the replacement back glass carefully. Small misalignment ruins camera clearance and wireless charging. Once aligned, press evenly and clamp for 15 to 30 minutes. Reinstall the wireless coil, camera, and all cables, then reconnect the battery and power up to test touch, cameras, Face ID, and wireless charging. If something fails, don't panic. Power down, reopen, and recheck connectors and adhesive seating. Most issues are loose plugs or trapped debris, so reseating fixes them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.